Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also make sure you join my free Discord. Links down below in the description or on the screen is the address. Two chat rooms, one for the S&P Emini Futures, one for stocks moving that day. And it's all free, so come join us. All right, just started this yesterday and we're already doing great, so thank you for everybody that's joined. Also for everybody that's joined, if you guys like things, let me know. If you don't like things, let me know. It's a work in progress of really trying to figure out. I know everybody has different rules, but just understand with a lot of my trade ideas, okay, especially for the stock side, I'm looking for 10, 20, 30 cents on a lot of these moves. Now, if they are bigger dollar like game, I mean, it's got a dollar spread sometimes, right? So maybe I'm looking for a couple dollars, right, on game or something like that. So you could see we bought game at 245, I called it, and went all the way up to 253, right? So usually the bigger dollar stocks, I'm looking for bigger moves dollar wise because of maybe $1, $2 move. But a lot of stocks like watch OLB on the pullback long for $7, right? Usually for me, my sweet spot, me personally, this is the way I trade, I scalp, is 10 cents. That is my sweet spot. And then look at this. OLB hit 714 from that 7, and then it kind of reversed and went lower. Give me in, give me out. I know everybody has different targets. They see the markets totally different. I just want you guys to understand what I look for when I'm calling these trades. Also, I want you guys to look at these trades, okay, of, hey, I like this trade right around the level. It doesn't mean you have to take every single trade, but what it does is hopefully it'll alert you to look at the trade, and does it set up to something that you like. That's what it's really about. I'm just trying to give you guys good entry points, and then you guys self-manage the trade based on your own trade. So I hope this helps, guys. Please let me know what you guys think, good, bad. It's a work in progress, but let's jump right into it. ESs, I say yesterday, I was bullish. Look at this. We went higher. Yes, the Fed came out, but again, we were still bullish. With that being said, we kind of went sideways all day today, and then we broke out with the Fed. Now, a couple things that I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to talk about with the trade zones, okay? Give me 1 second. Okay, so this is the chart that I want. Whenever I draw trade zones for the S&P futures, if there's news and all of a sudden you just see a big spike and there's news or something, be very careful. Don't trade the zones on that initial couple minutes of the spike, because usually they're not going to work. It's just a news event. Nobody knows what's going on. Everybody's just like panicking. So whenever you see a zone, if you saw this and you're like, ooh, there's a zone, let me go short here. Well, understand the Fed's coming out and all the algos are going crazy. Don't take them. Okay. Same with my monthly zones, right? Right here, or sorry, the weekly S&P Emini Future Trade Zone service that I have. Again, when you see news, don't go. And this actually zone wasn't even valid because we hit that yesterday. But look at this, right? Just that initial pop, and then when the market settles down, then you could take it. Look at how great this trade zone was, right to it, and then a reversal for about 5 points or so. Remember, you could sign up $50 for a lifetime to these trade zones for the S&P E-mini futures and all that. So Links down below in the description. But so yeah, so this zone is now done. That zone's probably, we're going to take this zone off. It's no longer valid. Our next zone is going to be up around the 46.74 level. But hopefully that helps. And then let's run through a couple of the what I posted, right? Gave you the supply demand zones. Really no trade alerts this morning. The market just didn't do anything. There was the VPOC, went right to the VPOC and reversed. And then just gave you guys a couple updates on market profile. The reason I send out these updates is so you could see what's going on under the hood. This is a very balanced market, right? Where both sides are saying, hey, price is fair. Price is a fair price at these levels. And it's either going to break higher or break lower from those levels. And we know it broke higher. Stocks. Here's my morning watch list to start the day off. Had a couple trades. HUDI. I said watch along for around the 30 level, somewhere into here for a quick bounce. This is kind of what happened. Went right down to the 30-40 level, and then reversed and bounced, or 30-34 level, and then bounced. Okay. Again, I'm not looking for home runs. Maybe a stock like this, I'm looking for 50 cents. It's a $30 stock. Your spreads are somewhat wide sometimes. So just get me in, get me out. That's the way I trade. But for you guys, you might like bigger moves. Game. Had a nice move on game. Called it at 245. Went to 253. So let's pull up a game chart, right, real quick on GME. And let's see how this trade worked out. It was right here around 705 I live in Las Vegas. It was on this pullback, went all the way up to 255 from the 245 call. Nice move. Actually moved a total of about 10 points. But again, give me 2 points, $2 or $3, right? Get me out, because I understand it's the spread's usually a 80 cents or $1 or something like that. So that's what's going on with the game. Couple others, Tilray, nice bull flag, right? And then later on a bigger bull flag on Tilray. And then eventually Tilray broke down from that bull flag. So that was one. Another is, I say, hey, watch a BBBY above 2140. If I give you guys a level, wait for that level to be broken. Don't anticipate that level. Like here, don't get in. Oh, okay, it's going to go. Wait for that level to be broken. It's pure price action. Things that I look for. And this is a perfect example. We went to 2135. And then a reverse, okay, and it just fell apart all day. So wait for those levels. If I give you a specific level, wait for those levels. Here, game, I say, hey, watch the 26 level. Now remember, high 26 is low, but we missed it. I no longer like the 26. We missed the trade because we went to 27.10. Okay. And then it had the nice couple dollar bounce. The next time it came through, it flushed right through and went down to like 22, I believe. So, and I even said I no longer like the trade, 226 level. We missed the trade. Had a couple other nice ones. Lucid, I said Lucid curling. Watch for a pullback around 35.85. And then this is what that pullback looked like. Nice pullback to the 85.35. And then we had a nice bounce for about 20 cents. Remember, I'm just looking for quick moves. I'm not looking for these home runs because they're very hard to come by. And then finally, WBX, okay, where was it? I said I like WBX. Watch WBX around the 2005 levels. I did a post right here, right? We want price to break above 2005, right? Because this is what I was looking at, this high of the candle. If we could break above, I thought it could have some legs to run. Your first major resistance was here, but again, I'm looking for 10, 15 cents on this move right here. And look at the move it did, right? Went all the way up to 23, I believe it was, 2023. So I took it. I was in and out. Boom. Thank you. Give me my money. Move on. But it ran all the way up to that 2060 level, 69 plus 63 cents from the entry. When I say these, it doesn't mean I'm taking. Remember, I'm a scalper. Get me in, get me out. So I hope that helps of how to trade these. But thank you so much to everybody. Like I say, hey, let me know in the community trading room things I could do, things you like, things you don't like. I do like constructive criticism. I want to make this room as good as I can for everybody in here. So thank you very much, and let's keep this going. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.